Are you a travel nurse, insurance adjuster, or professional seeking a peaceful, private, and convenient temporary stay in Dallas? Welcome to your ideal temporary home in Dallas. Enjoy ultimate privacy. No roommates, no shared walls, just your own space. This fully furnished, move-in ready, 3-bed, 3-bath home is designed for your comfort. Relax in the cozy living room or unwind in the spacious king-sized bed after a long day. The kitchen is fully stocked with essentials, and in-unit laundry makes your stay hassle-free. Seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi setup, so you can work or relax effortlessly. Experience the peace and safety of the Cedar Crest neighborhood in Dallas. All-inclusive at $3,300 per month, with all utilities included for a worry-free stay. This perfect retreat is available starting August 1st. See more and apply now on Furnished Finder. Your comfortable Dallas stay awaits.